I hope this helps then. So now you can allocate. This is where we kind of are at the moment. Respect and love your ego is what I'm going to say. Take it to dinner. It needs to be, you know, if you've got a mind manager and you're going to do some, you know, seriously high frequency exploration, then it would make sense, wouldn't it, to have your mind manager on your side. Now, it knows the inside of your mind really well, so the thing is, if it has spiritualized itself, then it's difficult for you to unpick, you know, what aspect is you in your everyday sense and what part of your mind has spiritualized itself. So I speak to a lot of people who do spiritual work and energy work, and some of them don't realize this can happen. And so they might have some energy knowledge and colours and crystals and things like that, but it's been what I would call ego hijacked. And so there's some self-homework to do. But I'll put some links in underneath this video too if you want to know more information about how you can study with me online as well. Look out for the next videos, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.